In my previous video, I have shared about the 4 types of sealants that I'm using. In this video, I'm going to share the water resistance from each of these sealants. So let's get started. For this experiment, I'm going to drop few drops of the tap water. So this is the one with the polycrylic. Okay. And this is the one with the Krylon matte finish. This is the one with the Krylon low order clear finish. And this is the one with the gloss finish lacquer. You can already see it by now. I'm going to leave this for 1 hour and we will come back later. And let's review for the first one. This is the one with the Krylon low order clear finish. You can see that I'm not sure what is this, but there is some bubble pop up, and there is one or two drop of water already absorbed into this cement. I don't know what is this. I'm not sure what happened, but this stain just formed like this. To be honest, it looks very gross. And the second coaster is the sealant by the Lacquer. As you can see that the water resistance is perfect. There is no water absorbed into the coaster. Let me wipe this. I think this is very water resistant. Or I would say that this is completely waterproof. Okay, good. The third one will be the Krylon matte finish. As you can see, the water still floating on the coaster. Okay. And I can see that the water resistance is very good. There is no water absorbed into the cement at all, which I'm really impressed. Okay, let's see the polycrylic. As you can see that the water is slightly absorbed into the coaster. Yes, there is a water stain. I'm not sure whether if you can see this. This is the water stain. And this sealant is obviously not water resistant. I think for this experiment, this is the worst outcome. I'm really not sure what is this. As well as the polycrylic. This too is totally out. And the most impressive outcome is these two. The lacquer gloss finish and also the Krylon matte finish. As for the conclusion, I think that for myself, I would prefer the Krylon matte finish and also the Mr. DIY clear gloss lacquer. And for now, I will roughly share with you some of my previous projects so that you can have a better idea on which type of sealant used on which kind of project. If you want to make a project with a very high water resistant, I would really recommend this tool. So this tool gives the best water resistance. And I will show you my past project. This is the soap dish which it requires a very high water resistance and also waterproof. So for this project, because this is the terrazzo soap dish, I want the terrazzo to be popped out, so I'm using the lacquer. And because the surface is glossy type, so it's much more easier for me to clean it off if there is a soap stain on it. So this is the one I'm using the lacquer. And also for this type of coaster, this is the one I'm using the lacquer too. And also for this type of coaster, you can also use the lacquer. Let's say if you want your project to be matte finish, I would recommend this matte finish. This is the coaster that I made from this Krylon matte finish. It also gives a very good water resistance at what you see just now. And the outcome is very smooth. And another coaster I'm using from this Krylon matte finish. It turns out really good. I think for these two sealant, it really depending on which type of finishing you want. Either you want to go for matte finish or gloss finish. So it's up to you. And let's say if your project is require non-water resistant, like this is the example. This is the pebble candle holder that I made previously. So this sealant, I'm using the Krylon matte order clear finish because I do not require any water resistance for this. So it's good to use either the polycrylic water base or the matte Krylon, which this one do not give a good water resistance. And another sample of project, maybe you can use either these two on this. This is the stationary holder, which also do not require the water resistance. So I really hope that this video give you some idea which type of sealant use on which type of craft. If you like this video, don't forget to hit the like and the subscribe button. And I will see you guys again in my upcoming video. Bye!